So good evening, everyone, once again, and welcome to the EMRT Masterclass. EMRT is a brand new technique for India. In fact, not only for India, but for the entire planet. Because ये एक ऐसी technique है which was created by one of my mentors who does not like to promote himself at all. And उसके बाद में I worked on creating another foundation for it because मुझे बहुत सारे gaps दिखे. And before we move ahead, I will talk about uh, how this journey happened and what is the reason why I would highly recommend this as a healing tool. But before that, I just want to ask everybody, put it in the chat for me. What is your current uh, profession or current scope of work? So that मैं आपके हिसाब से और आप यहाँ पे what are you truly looking for? Since you're here, there is something that you're looking for. What are you looking for? Put it on the chat, please. Your profession, healer, coach. Great. Pramod ji. Okay. Housewife, healer, coach. So I think most of you are healers, coaches. We've got a few business people, business owners. But most of you, okay, we also have someone into taxation. Great. You need so you somebody's here for confidence, stock trader, looking for overall healing. So see, EMRT as a tool is a very powerful technique to heal any kind of trauma. But before that, let me tell you about my journey with EMRT. शायद उससे आपको समझ में आए कि why I always have been using this technique, and all my senior students or those who've been with me since January will have an experience of it because we've been using EMRT extensively this entire year. So about a year and a half back, I came across someone who was talking about EMRT, just talking about. Or they talked about a basic एनर्जी हीलिंग टूल जो कि बहुत पावरफुल था और जो बहुत सारे ट्रॉमास को हील कर सकता था. कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, I was looking for a solution to a very big problem in my life, and I thought, let me go and see if it works out. In 2020, I think, I had hurt my shoulder. I had hurt my left shoulder and forearm, और एक डेढ़ साल से this entire arm was in a state of semi movement, which means I could only move my hand like this and like this. I could not move it in any other direction. I could not take it back. I could not take it up. अभी तो मैं पीछे नहीं ले जा सकती, मेरी chair है, but I couldn't take it back at all. And doctors refused to call it a frozen shoulder because they said frozen shoulder means no movement. Half of your half movement is there. We can't address it as a frozen shoulder for you. I tried physiotherapy, I tried healing, I tried PLRT, I tried access bars, I tried forgiveness, I tried everything that I could. But वो थोड़े दिन के लिए जाता था and then it would come back. Or it would taper down from 8 to 7 and get stuck there. But solution नहीं मिल रहा था. And I struggled with this for almost 1.5 years, not even for a short span. So when I came to know about this, I was looking for a solution to my shoulder. So I said, कोई बात नहीं, if this pans out, my work is done. मेरे लिए तो ये worth it है. So I went and I did over there. I went and then I did this workshop of EMRT, which was known as Emotion Mapping Reset Technique. Most of the time you have ERT techniques, which is emotion reset, or you have emotion mapping technique. But this was the only technique which would map and reset at the same time. So when I went to the first day of my session, it was a 3-day class, and I went to the first day, and he said that my mentor was a gentleman, and he said that I want to do a demo. Who's going to volunteer? I said, I have this problem and I'm here for that. Can you help me? He did one session. At the end of 40 minutes, the pain had reduced by about 40% and the hand movement by about 50 to 60%. Next day, because 3 days ka tha, he said, now let's do a supplementary round and clear this up. At the end of that round, 95% pain was gone and 92% movement was back. The rest would taper down as per him in the next few days. is to give it time. Today, there is no pain, no restriction of movement, nothing at all. And I've never had that recurring back to me. So this was the first episode. Then in the same session, 3-day session, I went to him and I said, we've got an ancestral pattern of where the women are responsible for the household expenses and finances. My grandmother went through the same lifestyle. My mother went through it, and now I was going through it. So I told him, I said, I enjoy working, but I don't want to work because I only have to earn. The need to earn is not what I want in my life. And he said, let's work on it. And he asked me, he said, what do you think is the root? And I told him, I said, I think it is an ancestral curse. I don't know why, but I think it is an ancestral curse. And I've not been able to heal it yet. Something always gets left behind. I don't know what it is. So he said, okay, sit down with me. And we went. He told me just to close my eyes. And he said, when you think about this, what is the voice that you hear? And I said, I hear a male voice which says, till you don't learn how to be grateful. And that was the curse, that till you do not learn how to be in gratitude, the women do not learn how to be in gratitude, they would be responsible for the roles of men in that family. Another 10 to 12 minutes of healing, and the next day, I stopped paying the bills automatically. I did not have to say I will not, but I was told that, we've paid the bills. Within a week to 10 days, the pressure of paying, say, 85% of the bills had gone down to just maybe one or two bills in the entire month or the quarter. This is the kind of impact that EMRT brought to my life. Now, when I understood this, I went deeper into the research of it, into working on it. By now I have healed more than 100, 200 cases. Abhi 50 for 55 cases ongoing hai, so about 150 closed cases, more than 500 to 700 hours of work has already gone. And now I'm bringing EMRT to all of you for two purposes, either for your personal healings through group sessions or personal sessions, or to learn and become practitioners in the field. Today in Core, we'll talk about the foundation of EMRT, the philosophy of EMRT, how it works, how it doesn't work, what all it will help you heal. But after that, we'll only talk about the group healing part today. Those people who will be interested in learning and becoming practitioners, I'll give you a preview of the practitioner program. But for all other details of logistics, finances, dates, and all, you'll connect with me personally on a clarity call, one-on-one call. So EMRT perhaps is the only methodology which works on the magnetic field of the human being. What is the purpose of your magnetic field? It is to attract things into your life. What does a magnet do? It pulls. And anything that we feel, that we think, that we absorb, ये सब चीजें हमारे पास कहाँ से आती हैं? मैग्नेटाइज होके आती हैं. क्यों? कहते हैं ना, हमारी जिंदगी एक मैग्नेट है. आप एक मैग्नेट हो. जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप फील करते हो, वो पुल होता है आपकी तरफ. सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का काम क्या है? आपकी लाइफ में चीजें अट्रैक्ट करके लाने का. कीपिंग दिस फाउंडेशन इन माइंड, अगर आपके कोई सेलुलर मेमोरी में ट्रॉमा है, विल इट बी इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? यस, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ मैग्नेट इन योर लाइफ. इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, मेंटल बिलीव्स, कार्मिक इश्यूज, planetary influences. So if you directly tap into the magnetic field of the body, आपको कहीं पर भी और tap in करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are sorted. And the best part that came into being was that आपको इस टेक्निक को यूज करने के लिए you don't have to take your client into stories. तो आपको स्टोरी टेलिंग में नहीं लेके जाना. अगर हम अभी EFT करते हैं तो we talk about the pain. इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग, वी रिमेंबर द ट्रॉमा याद करते हैं, क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. इसमें कोई मेमोरी की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी पेनलेस टेक्निक. सो एज हीलर्स, मतलब इवन आई एम अ हीलर, मेरे को सबसे बड़ी जो 2 प्रॉब्लम्स अपनी रियलिटी में लगती थी एज अ हीलर प्रोफेशनली, नंबर 1, एक केस को सॉल्व करने में या रिजॉल्व करने में बहुत टाइम लगता था, बिकॉज मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स, मल्टीपल टूल्स, ऐसे लेयर ऑन लेयर आप वर्क करते रहते थे, ठीक है। प्लस आपको अपने क्लाइंट को दिखाना है या सिखाना है हाउ टू इंटीग्रेट देयर लाइफस्टाइल टू द न्यू वे ऑफ बीइंग, उस पर फिर डबल मेहनत। सो जो हीलिंग्स हमने 10 या 15 सेशंस में ली, विद EMRT इट केम डाउन टू 5, not half but 1/3. And all my senior students will remember, Geetu would remember, if anybody else is there from 21, 22 or 23, आप लोगों को याद होगा, when we came in, when theta came into our toolkit, हम 15 से 10 पे आए थे. From 15 sessions, we started coming down to 10 sessions because theta is faster. Now with EMRT, हम 15 से सीधे 5 पे आ सकते हैं. And because storytelling नहीं है, memory recall नहीं है, the session does not take more than 40 minutes. So एक प्रॉब्लम मेरी रिजॉल्व हुई, एक्सेसिव टाइम कंजम्पशन. उसमें भी बहुत रोड ब्लॉक्स आते थे बिकॉज समटाइम्स द क्लाइंट वुड नॉट रिमेंबर, दे वुड नॉट एक्सेप्ट. सो नाउ हियर देयर इज नथिंग टू एक्सेप्ट एंड रिमेंबर. यहाँ जो है वो हील होता जा रहा है. सेकेंड थिंग विच आई पर्सनली एज अ हीलर फाउंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टैकल वॉज कि हम इतनी मेहनत करते थे, उसकी कॉम्पनसेशन में जो हमें अमाउंट मिलता है, एनर्जी एक्सचेंज मिलता है, दैट वॉज नॉट कंपेरेबल एट ऑल. हीलिंग वुड, इवन डिस्टेंस हीलिंग वुड टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, टाइम ज्यादा लगता है, और रिटर्न इतना सा होता है. सो जो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट है, टाइम, एफर्ट, एनर्जी, दैट वाज नॉट कॉलिंग इन फॉर मी. उस विद दिस टेक्निक दैट ऑल्सो शिफ्टेड. I mean, I can tell you one thing, for everything except chronic diseases, for example, stage 3 cancer, last stage tuberculosis, इनको छोड़ करके I have not done more than 5 sessions for one single healing, for one single problem for any person till date. So ये मेरे लिए ना एक वो जादू की छड़ी बन गई है, which you can just wave around and it works for you. What other problems as healers do you face? मेरे लिए ये 2 प्रॉब्लम्स थी. आप लोगों की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स और होती हैं इसके अलावा? यस गीतू.
So, like, once I had a client who was into depression.
जी.
So, no matter how much I healed, she was having so much issues that वो डिप्रेशन से आ ही नहीं रही थी. उसकी बहुत ज्यादा मतलब इश्यूज थे. आई थिंक जो डिप्रेशन में होता है वो मेडिसिन भी नहीं बंद कर सकती, बट वो मतलब शी हैड लॉट्स ऑफ कंप्लेन्स. चाहे मैं जितना मर्जी हील कर लूं, मीन्स अभी भी मीन्स आई एम कंफ्यूज कि भी हाँ उसको मैं हील कैसे करूं, बिकॉज शी वॉन्ट्स टू कम आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन, बट वो जब भी मैं उससे बात करती हूँ सेम ओल्ड थिंग रिपीटेटिव.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आपके पास में एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर्मेट नहीं है ऑफ हीलिंग. A person like her who's got multiple problems, and as Bharti ji was also put on chat, टाइम बहुत लगता है. अब एक चीज फंडामेंटल सबसे बड़ी बात है कि नंबर 1, टाइम बहुत लगता है. तो आप अभी आपके सेशंस कितने देर के होते हैं भारती जी? 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, रफली यही लगता है. वील स्टार्ट ऑफ विद 1 hour, बट वो 1 hour, 1.5 तक खिंची जाता है रोते पिटते. सो हियर दैट कट्स इनटू 30 to 40 minutes फ्लैट. और 30 मिनट्स में भी 20-25 मिनट्स की हीलिंग होती है इन टोटलिटी. 5 minutes इज ब्रीफिंग देम व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर द हीलिंग. अब गीतू, इन दिस मेथोडोलॉजी देयर इज एन ऑप्शन where you travel back into time energetically, where this depression began, wherever it is, whether it's in the ancestral trauma, या वो past life में है या वो इस लाइफ टाइम में है, एंड आप वहां से पैटर्न रिक्रिएट कर देते हो. And unlike most techniques, this does not delete a pattern, this transmutes a pattern. Which means, remember the first law of thermodynamics, energy cannot be destroyed nor created. इट कैन ओनली बी ट्रांसम्यूटेड. सो यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट ट्रांसम्यूटेशन की बात कर रहे हैं. डिप्रेशन का अभी डायरेक्ट, आई हैड समबडी विद पैनिक अटैक्स. वी टुक आई थिंक 7 or 8 sessions over 2 months because they had an acute problem of panic attacks, and every time she would have a panic attack she would have allergic reactions on the body. पूरी बॉडी में रैश होता था. प्लस सेकंड चीज क्या हुई, जब वो मीठा खाते हैं तो बॉडी में रैश हो जाती है, which means the pancreas is also weak. It's not functioning properly. So इन दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए अभी मेरे 6 सेशंस हो गए, उनके 7th कल है, एंड द प्रॉब्लम हैज रिड्यूस्ड बाय 70 to 80%. सो विच मीन्स 1 या 2 सेशन में दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स हमारी कंप्लीटली खत्म हो जाएंगी. नाउ, Noor has said in the chat, time and break of chakras again and again as person willingness is low. हाँ, so again Noor, यहाँ पे तो willingness है ही नहीं. They just have to sit and accept the healing. They don't even know what you're healing. You will simply ask them, I am releasing this, I am installing this, and it's done. And I'll give you a demo of, I'll be giving you a demo for it uh, on any one person in the group. So it will help you all understand how the healing is also happening. But we'll बाद में करेंगे. But first let's understand the concept. Or any other person coming up with a problem. यहाँ पे आपके चक्रास भी इन्वॉल्व अपने आप हील हो जाएंगे. यू विल हील द ऑरिक फील्ड, यू विल हील द सेल्युलर मेमोरीज, यू विल हील द फिजिकल ऑर्गन्स, you will heal the emotion and the mind, you will heal the ancestral trauma, any vows, oaths, curses, everything will go into place. Yes, Dr. Krupa.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, हरिओम.
हरिओम, कैसे हैं आप?
आनंदम. एक प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई कोई क्लाइंट जो है वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट बहुत होता है, तो उसको ठीक करने में हमको बहुत टाइम लगता है.
अब ये देखो ना, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस जो होता है कृपा, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ट्रॉमा.
यस.
सो जब ट्रॉमा रिलीज कर दोगे तो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस भी अपने आप रिलीज हो जाएगा. एंड विद दिस टूल यू कैन डू दैट. You can do that 100%. So this is one tool that is very very helpful to any kind of thing. अब देखो fundamentally problem क्या होती है, I everything in this world is related to some form of trauma. ये तो हम सब मानते हैं. लाइफ में कुछ भी अगर गड़बड़ हो रहा है, सपोज योर ऑर्गन्स आर नॉट फंक्शनिंग, यू आर इमोशनली अनवेल, इज दिस नॉट ट्रॉमा? इनर चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा, एंसेस्ट्रल इम्प्रिंट का ट्रॉमा, पास्ट लाइफ अनरिजॉल्व्ड इश्यूज का ट्रॉमा, इट्स ऑल ट्रॉमा ना. So consider trauma healing as the biggest tool of today which can help you all. But now let's understand a little bit more. Number one, trauma हमारी लाइफ में 5 areas में showcase करता है predominantly. In your health, in your wealth, relationship, your own spiritual journey or personal growth, and then of course your work. Whether you're in a business, whether you're a housewife, whether you're in service या job, कोई भी चीज में work पे impact करता है. So अगर हम इसको ट्रॉमा के पर्सपेक्टिव से समझते हैं, सो वी आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग एट स्ट्रगल चाहे फाइनेंशियल हो, चाहे रिलेशनशिप हो, चाहे कहीं पे भी हो. नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द माइंड स्टोर्स इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेमोरीज, स्टोरीज. बॉडी स्टोर्स इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इमोशंस. कभी आपने एक चीज रियलाइज करी है, बॉडी डज नॉट हैव अ मेमोरी बैंक, इट हैज अ इमोशनल मेमोरी बैंक. एक मिनट आईज क्लोज करो आप लोग सब. क्लोज योर आईज for 1 minute only. Just close your eyes, everybody. And I want you to go back to a story of anger. जब आप बहुत गुस्सा हुए थे, उस मेमोरी में जाओ जब आप बहुत सारा गुस्सा हुए थे, ढेर सारा. Now, where do you remember the story? वो स्टोरी कहाँ पे है? वो मेमोरी कहाँ पे है? Mind. Very good, Neera ji. where do you feel anger? Keep your eyes closed. Where do you feel anger? Answer that question for me, then put it in the chat. Okay. Pramodji feels it in the chest, Jasminder in the heart, jaw. Perfect. So अब मुझे एक चीज बताओ, मेमोरी कहाँ गई? इधर. इमोशन कहाँ गया? इधर. अब go back to that anger. How does that anger come to your eyes? How is it showing up in your eyes? Eyes जल रही हैं, ठंडी हो रही हैं. How is it showing? How is it coming up in your ears? The sensation in and around your ears. Yes. Crying, burning, redness. Nose में क्या हो रहा है? As you feel this anger. Lungs में क्या हो रहा है?
हीटिंग भी होती है.
अब एक बात बताओ, एक memory and so many storage points in the body. अब अगर फास्टर ब्रीदिंग, शॉर्टर ब्रीदिंग, परफेक्ट जैस्मिन, बर्निंग, हीट, सब कुछ आएगा. अभी मेरे को एक बात सबसे मैं पूछती हूँ, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन हीलिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ और फॉर अदर्स, जो भी हो, पर्सनल लेवल पे हीलर्स हो, प्रोफेशनल हीलर्स हो, हाउ मेनी टूल्स विल यू यूज टू रिलीज ऑल ऑफ दिस? जरा सोचना, एक लिस्ट बनाना अपने पेपर पेन्स पे, नोटबुक में एक लिस्ट बनाओ, कितने टूल्स यूज करोगे विद वॉट एवर यू हैव felt right now in your body? How many tools will you use? And roughly how much time will you take with each tool when you use it for yourself? Forget about people. आज अपने बारे में ही बात कर लो. तीन टूल्स यूज करोगे, ठीक है? एंड टाइम कितना लगेगा? ठीक है, 2 to 3 hours, 15 to 20 minutes or more. Fine. So there is a full story in your body going on with everything that you do and you feel. और इसको हील करने के लिए हमें बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. And the worst is, at the end of it कहीं कुछ छूट जाता है. And when something similar happens, हम फिर उसको याद करके रोते हैं और गुस्सा करते हैं. होता है कि नहीं होता? सच्ची सच्ची बोलना. As healers, be very honest here. So the fact is that we need one tool, which is a trauma healing or trauma therapy tool, जो कि हमको one shot solution दे सकता है. Because आपका जब client आपके पास आता है, he doesn't come to you with one problem. He comes to you with one whole basket of problems and then you have to help them heal. अगर इस basket को पूरी तरह से heal करोगे, you'll have to go into the past, present, future. You'll have to go into mind, emotions, body. You'll have to go into the spiritual quotient. You'll have to go into the psychological behavior, the social behavior, the financial behavior, to align one छोटा सा aspect together. मैं इसीलिए, for all the senior students, they know I did not enjoy taking one-on-one sessions. Why? Because of the same reason. इन लोगों को सबको ध्यान होगा, ये मांगते थे एक दे दो, एक दे दो, ऐसे नहीं 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 नहीं, ग्रुप में जो काम करना है क्लास में कर लो, ग्रुप में कर लो, वन ऑन वंस नहीं दूंगी मैं. Why? Because it takes too much time, it takes too much effort, and then most of the time your clients are not even willing to accept and work with it. ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, ये हम सारी EMRT से रिजॉल्व कर देते हैं. एंड अगेन गोइंग बैक टू दैट सेम प्रेजेंटेशन, जो ये कोर 5 स्ट्रगल्स लाइफ की हैं, इलनेस, इमोशनल ओवरलोड, रिलेशनशिप डिसफंक्शन, स्पिरिचुअल डिस्कनेक्शन, फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल, वर्क स्ट्रगल, ये हमारी लाइफ में 5 एरियाज में शो अप करती है. दिस शोज अप इन 5 एरियाज. इट क्रिएट्स अ पैटर्न फॉर अस, अ पैटर्न विच इज रिपीटेड इन एवरी फॉर्म ऑफ रियलिटी. इस पैटर्न की वजह से हमारी बॉडी में वाइब्रेशंस एंड फ्रीक्वेंसीज क्रिएट होती हैं, विच वी एमिट आउट इनटू द वर्ल्ड. The minute there is a vibration and a pattern, it impacts our hormones or our chemicals, changing the blood culture and the chemical reality of your body. This chemical reaction impacts all your organs, muscles, fascia, veins, networks, everything, your meridian system, blocking and creating energetic and emotional blocks. Ultimately, all of the lower four levels together creates your psychology or your behavior. So ultimately, to heal one problem in our life, we have to heal on all five levels to get the right result, including, excluding the fact I haven't added in this matrix the matrix of the past life imprints and the ancestral lineage, epigenetics, genetics, and past life. So, ये सारा जो इम्पैक्ट आता है वो दिखता कहाँ पे? How does it show up in your life? As memories and experiences, as unresolved karma, as oaths, vows, and curses, as unhealthy lifestyle choices, ancestral memories, past life memories, womb trauma, and epigenetics. ये सब कुछ यहाँ से क्रिएट होता है. और ये दिखेगा कैसे? This will show up in your life as planetary impact. Because remember, जो astrological horoscope क्या दिखाता है? The planetary position as per your birth chart. And आप किस planetary position में पैदा होते हो, what signifies or what kind of influences your planetary positions at the time of birth? Your past life karma and the contracts that you're being born with. It shows up as your behavior patterns. All these traumas show up as fears and insecurities, as your karmic baggage and ancestral burdens. It also shows up as your neuroceptions and inceptions. Neuroceptions and inceptions क्या होते हैं? Neuroceptions is the program that is there in your subconscious neurons, which pushes you into a particular way of living. Inception क्या होता है? It is the programming of the neuroception at the unconscious level, which means it is the root cause that created the problem in any reality, जो हमें पता ही नहीं है exist करती है. Now, the problem with inception is you don't know it is in existence. This is all a core part of psychotherapy. Psychotherapy actually trains us into dealing with inceptions. And EMRT can heal inceptions without understanding them, simply by looking at the problem today. You will also see imprints of trauma showing up as womb conditioning and triggers and reactions. Now, body में 5 element होते हैं which are because पंच महाभूत से शरीर बनता है. Any kind of disbalance in energies will disbalance your meridian system and your elemental system. Chakras imbalance हो जाएंगे, phobias and addictions create होंगे, auric field damage होता है हमारा, hormonal disbalance होता है, nervous system disorders होते हैं, relationship issues, limited beliefs, emotional trauma, physical illnesses, financial problems, social disconnection and patterns of self-sabotage. इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती हैं हमारे ट्रॉमास हमारी लाइफ में क्रिएट करते हैं. आई एम श्योर इसमें कुछ और भूल गई होंगी मैं, बिकॉज और भी चीजें होती हैं. EMRT perhaps is the only tool which can heal at all of these levels. Does anybody know what proprioceptors are? किसी को पता है यहाँ पे? Because I'll explain it to you. That's why I'm asking. किसी को पता है तो मैं उधर से करूँ, नहीं पता है तो मैं वहां से करूँ. So proprioceptors are basically connectors or channels which carry information from your senses to the brain. Depression में क्या होता है? The first thing that gets disconnected is the proprioceptor. So, have you, as healers and therapists, or even as people living in joint families or family systems, आप लोगों ने ऐसे लोग देखे होंगे जिनको पूछो how are you feeling? I don't know. They're not aware of their own emotions. They're not aware of their own pains. उनको चोट लगती है, उनको नहीं पता चलेगा. Have you all met people like this? Either in your professional or personal career? For all these people, their proprioceptors have been deactivated due to trauma. So now, if the senses are feeling something, the information is not going to the brain. तो उनको पता ही नहीं चल रहा क्या हो रहा है. And there is no, as far as I know, this is EMRT is the only technique which helps into activating your proprioceptors, reconnecting your proprioceptors and activating them. So ये एक बहुत interesting perspective था for me to heal, because my own nani was down with dementia. And she was down with dementia for almost 10 years, and her dementia came because of situation rather than illness. She lost two of my mamas and my nana in a very short span of time. And to kind of not deal with her life, she disconnected from, she started forgetting. People initially thought it's Alzheimer's, but later it came out to be dementia. Now finally वो एक ऐसे stage पे है जहाँ पे she started recalling, but her higher self has asked me not to heal her further. So I have stopped my healing. Because she doesn't want to go into that pain's life. She said, मेरे को जितना जिंदगी जीना I'll live, but I don't want to remember. So I have consciously chosen not to heal her. But problems like dementia, hallucination, depression, anxiety, ये सारी चीजें फिर बहुत फटाफट heal हो जाती हैं, because the minute you can tap into all these areas of the body like neuroceptions, inceptions, proprioceptors and neurotransmitters, life बहुत फटाफट healing होती है. दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता. One of the best I would say benefits of using EMRT is it makes you very, very intuitive. It fine-tunes your intuition very beautifully. Now, ये जितना भी इमोशनल गार्बेज हम इकट्ठा करते हैं एज प्रोग्राम्स, इम्प्रिंट्स, ये हमारी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को डिस्टॉर्ट करता है. Auric field, you remember we all have an electromagnetic field which is like a donut, and it basically helps us magnetize our energy, send out our vibrations into the world. So ये electromagnetic field जो होती है ये क्रैक कर जाती है. It has a lot of tiredness, leaks, tears, holes. जैसे auric field damage होती है वैसे electromagnetic field भी damage होती है. So EMRT has the possibility, or with EMRT you can disconnect cords, you can heal the electromagnetic field and the auric field. You can work on your chakras as well to strengthen your auric field. All of this can be done. One thing I realized, and this is my personal comparison by the way, because I do talk therapy, I do EFT, I do EMRT, I do Reiki, I'm a Reiki grandmaster. So मैंने जब ये सारी चीज़ों पे work किया, तो what I found was that none of the actual therapies could help in all levels of healing. Talk therapy deals only with the mind. तो emotion को भी vent करके you keep on repeating the story, it becomes more cemented. It doesn't help my people. EFT helps on the emotional parameter, it works beautifully on integration. But when it comes to karma, ancestry and the magnetic field, EFT does not help. Reiki emotions में half time help करता है, half time नहीं करता है. But magnetic field healing and karma ancestry, it helps you. But again, integration through Reiki, not possible. So what I saw in the maximum techniques that I used was that EMRT came out to be as a very successful tool. That is why this year I thought I would come across and talk to people about it, because now I'm ready to teach it and train people forward. This is for anybody who is into personal wellness, जो अपने लिए आए हैं healing देखने या कोई healing का अच्छा tool देखने, या फिर अपनी healing करवाने, या फिर ये उन coaches, therapists, practitioners के लिए है, life coaches के लिए है, who would like to engage into this as a profession and add this into their toolkit. So I would like you all to experience the healings also. But before that, I'll just tell you about the group healing that we are doing. We do personal sessions, we do group healings, and we are having an EMRT training retreat. It will be an offline residential retreat. So जो लोग EMRT healings experience करना चाहते हैं, we'll be working on money healing starting from Ganesh Chaturthi, which is on 27th of August. We'll be having half an hour sessions. And I'll give you my charges also. I charge 6,000 rupees for 30-minute sessions for a personal healing and 4,000 for a group healing. That's what I'm charging currently. And for a 1-hour session, I charge 7,500 for a personal healing. So I'm giving you all two options here, because today I'm introducing ERT these days. So if anybody wants to come into a group healing session, they can take a package of 2 sessions for their money healing or 4 sessions for their money healing. And the pricing would be for 2 sessions 5,000 and for 4 sessions 9,000. We will start on the 27th of August at 3 p.m. and then schedule our healings in a mutually cohesive way. I'll be putting a poll. बाकी के आगे के dates हम अपनी mutual availabilities के हिसाब से as a group निकाल लेंगे. However, please remember the healings will not happen at 7 p.m. in the evening. It will only happen from early morning till afternoon because my 7 p.m. slots are totally blocked. Early morning होगा या evening होगा. And for those people who want to, say, for example, I'll share the payment link later. For those people who are interested in becoming practitioners, the EMRT retreat is going to be from the 25th to the 30th of October. It will be 5 nights, 6 days in Jim Corbett. And we'll be working on the principles of trauma and psychosomatic layering. We'll be working on how emotional healing and magnetic healing needs to happen. What is the responsibility of a therapist and a client during healing? How will you integrate tools like forgiveness and other trauma healing, integrative tools in trauma healing? We're going to work on neurotransmitters, nervous system, the pineal gland, pituitary gland, and the master cell, how to work on that in healing. Then how to transform and transmute patterns, how to deal with root causes of emotional trauma across lifetimes, a very basic reference guide of body parts, emotions stored, so that when people come to you with physical issues, आपको पता है कौन से part में क्या stored है overall. We're going to work with proprioceptors and their role in memory body, healing karmic patterns and seeds of karma, healing ancestral imprints. Also going to work on how will you take one-on-one sessions, group sessions, and remote healing sessions. Plus, what are the kind of protocols or integrative tools that you can recommend? How will you help your clients integrate? In short, अगर आपको मैं बोलूं, we will be covering all of these areas of healing in our workshop. In 5 days ये जितने हैं ना, ये सारे patterns को आप heal करना सीखोगे. It is not possible to teach this workshop in a online mode. Therefore, we are not even considering it. Okay, very honestly, we're not even considering it. It's not practical. There are 3 different techniques of EMRT. Number 1, for physical sessions, that's a different technique. For online sessions is a different technique. For remote sessions, there's a different technique, which you need to integrate. So, show the dates again. Pramod ji, it is 25th of October to 30th of October, which is आपका भाई दूज के अगले दिन. It's the next. We are starting, I think, Bhaiya Dooj is on 23rd, and we are starting on 25th. Here are the dates. Now, if anybody is interested in knowing about the retreat, I am sharing my office's WhatsApp number with you. You all can anytime drop in a message and fix up a 15-minute call with me where I can understand your requirement and where I can then help you and guide you if this is the right program for you or not. It will happen where it will happen, guys. Please go around Mumbai में है कि नहीं है, यहाँ है कि नहीं है. You know one thing, पहले के ज़माने में ना चाहे राजा हो चाहे महाराजा हो, उसके बच्चे गुरुकुल ही जाके पढ़ते थे. हम एक वेडिंग के लिए इंडिया से ऑस्ट्रेलिया पहुंच जाते हैं, एक छुट्टी मनाने इंडिया से अंटार्कटिका पहुंच जाते हैं अपनी लर्निंग के लिए अपने घर से, और गुरु के घर तक जाने की आदत डाल लीजिए. रामचरितमानस में भी लिखा है, गुरु गृह गए पढ़न रघुराई अल्पकाल विद्या तब आई. तो गुरु के घर गए थे, गुरु उनके घर नहीं आए थे. तो ये जो ज्योग्राफिकल फंडा है ना, इसको निकाल लो बाहर दिमाग से. दिस डजंट वर्क. Gitu, you'll have to do this offline. This can't be done online. Ha, I'll tell you one way of doing it. You plan the EMRT session there. I'll come and take it there with you. वहां एक बैच प्लान कर लो, मैं वहां आगे तुम्हारे पास ले लेती हूँ.
ठीक है.
ठीक है ना? So this will be the structure. Anybody who will, I have left my WhatsApp number. You can click and ask for a personal clarity call where you can understand the training methodology or anything else that you want. Fee will be told in the clarity calls only, because I will not see, this is a very small retreat. It will be a closed retreat. It's not open for everybody. I'm picking and choosing my participants, because if you are not ready to use it, Yeah, if it is not the right tool for you, then I don't want you to come and waste your time and money on this. Very honestly. For those people who want to engage in the money healing through EMRT in group sessions, I'm sharing my detail. I'm sharing the registration details. You all can register for that as well. But now, I'm sure before you register, you will all like to experience an EMRT session. So please switch on your cameras. I will work with one person, and आप same healing receive कर सकते हो. गीतू, आज बहुत दिनों बाद आप आए हो. Let me work with you.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
So what would you like to work with? Please tell me that.
Okay, so this happened last week. जो अभी एक एंगर इशू आया था,
Hmm.
और ये मतलब मैं हमेशा उनको यही कहती थी कि आई लव वर्किंग ओवर हियर. तो मेरा पीछे लास्ट मंथ सिर दर्द हो रहा था, तो मैंने उस दिन के लिए छुट्टी ली थी. एंड मेरी मैनेजर मेरे को कहती है कि भाई गीतू, यू माइट गेट अ राइट अप letter because you are taking too many holidays every month, one holiday every month. तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. मैंने कहा भाई, when I am telling you that I am having a headache, I won't be able to come. I have sick leaves with me enough. So why can't I take a holiday back? So she says no. मतलब जब सिर दर्द हो तो तुम फिर भी तुम आओ and we will decide. तो I didn't take in as issue. And मैं घर जाके बहुत रोई, पूरी रात रोती रही, and अगले दिन भी रोती रही. वहां पे काम पे गई तो भी मैं बात कर ही नहीं पा रही थी. आई वॉज सो इमोशनल एंड आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड आई कुडंट शो माय फेस टू माय मैनेजर. एंड देन जो मेरा बॉस था, ही केम एंड ही सेड कि गीतू, यू आर अ वेरी गुड पर्सन, यू आर अ वेरी गुड वर्कर. मेरे को पूरा मेरा जो बैच है वो सारे उससे मेरिट से बड़ा पड़ा है. मीन्स आई हैव गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ पिंस कि बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ. तो मैंने कहा आई डोंट गेट इट कि भी व्हाई इवन शी इज सेइंग दैट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट लाइंग टू हर कि भी लोग झूठ बोलते हैं एंड देन यू कांट बिलीव एंड देन यू गिव अ राइट अप. तो कहते हैं कि गीतू, यू वोंट गेट इट, डोंट गेट अपसेट ओवर इट. उसका मूड ठीक नहीं था तो उसने तेरे को ऐसे बोल दिया. बट अब मैं मतलब मैंने उस चक्कर में एक जॉब भी देखना शुरू कर दिया एंड मेरे को वो कॉल भी आ गया. बट दैट वाज टू फार. मतलब मेरे को 2 घंटे लगना था उसके लिए, कमिंग एंड गोइंग, 2 घंटों बाद जाना, 2 घंटे आना. तो और प्लस मींस आई वुड हैव स्पेंट अराउंड
तो कोर
10
में
to
कोर
15
में
hours.
गीतू 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 स्टोरी कोर के अंदर यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन एंगर एंड यू वांट टू
Yeah,
वर्क ऑन एनीथिंग एल्स.
means my hair loss.
हेयर लॉस. देखो, हेयर लॉस तो एक दिन में तुम्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, वो मैं बता रही हूँ. कम से कम 3-4
हाँ,
सेशन लगेंगे. तो हम एंगर पे वर्क करते हैं. और हेयर
okay,
लॉस, हम हेयर ग्रोथ को स्ट्रेंथन कर देते हैं रादर देन डीलिंग विद हेयर लॉस, बिकॉज हेयर लॉस विल टेक एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 सेशंस.
okay.
So close your eyes, everybody. Now, Geetu will remain on unmute. Stay unmuted. Everybody
Yeah.
else, mute yourself and be on camera. मैं आप लोगों से मैं आपसे परमिशंस मांगूंगी बीच बीच में, गीतू. सो एवरी टाइम you will either nod your head or say yes, whatever is comfortable to you. If anybody wants to receive this healing, they will say yes in their hearts or in their mind and receive the healing too. That is the only thing that you need to do with me. Now remember, EMRT will work on all the parallels of your being together. So just allow whatever is showing up in your body to show up. जो भी हो रहा है उसको होने दीजिएगा. अब मैं सबको म्यूट पे डाल रही हूँ. गीतू, आपको एक बार अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को. आप अनम्यूट कर लो प्लीज. क्लोज योर आईज. Sit back. And I want you to breathe. Just breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And very slowly and gently, when I tell you, start following a special rhythm of breath, जहाँ पर आपका inhale 4 counts के लिए होगा. You will hold the breath for 5 counts and let go or exhale your breath for 6 counts. I will help you to count it through. Just follow my instructions. Remember, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Keep steady in your breath. And with your next breath, follow my count. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you stay in this breath of in and out, inhale and exhale, I want you to get in touch with your body. Feel your body. Feel your body. Up. I want you to ask your body, where am I angry? मैं अपनी बॉडी में एंगर को कहाँ होल्ड करती हूँ या करता हूँ? एंड उसको पूरी तरह से फील करें. Geetu, where is it showing up for you?
Mind.
Where else?
पेट के नीचे मीन्स दिखा रहा है मेरे को.
Good. Now, do I have your permission to release it?
Yeah.
And can I instill it with calmness?
Yes.
Geetu, can I also release the sense of or the perception that I am being cheated?
Yes.
जैसे किसी ने मुझे धोखा दिया है simply by not being the way I need them to be.
Yes.
कि मैं इतना एफर्ट लगाती हूँ उसे आप रिस्पेक्ट और एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते.
Yes.
Can I also release any feeling of being judged?
Just yes. And plus fear as well.
Fear of being removed?
I don't know. Means job ना मिलने का या giving me the write up and firing me, something like that.
What I get from your energies is the fear of not having a path forward, fear of uncertainty, fear of what can happen in the future if this job goes. Alongside
Yes.
that, there is also a fear about losing your own self.
Okay.
Can I please release all of this for you for now?
Yes.
Somebody is having a very severe movement in the stomach, a lower abdomen. It's literally like a whirlpool going on. एक machine घूम रही है किसी के stomach में. Can you just raise your hand so that I know who it is? Okay, ठीक है. Got it. You can put your hand down. Do I have your permission to release that as well? Okay. Now I'm releasing it for you. And can I instill within you all the divine blueprint of the wisdom of knowing your worth, of being able to find your path in the most difficult circumstances, of being fearless and courageous in all situations of life, knowing how to use your voice at the right time, at the right place. If you agree to take this installation, please say yes in your mind. In
Yes.
your heart. We begin now. Allow whatever is coming to come to you. Let your body feel and release. Left side of the temple, severe pain.
Yes.
Right side of the chest rather. Heaviness. Who's got that? That's not with her, with somebody else. ठीक है. I've read your message. Then, Gitu, does this left side of your temple, what does it
Yeah,
look like?
I'm getting a pain, a slight pain एकदम से आया जैसे.
And right side of the lower abdomen. Who's got that? Okay, got it. ठीक है, आप हाथ नीचे कर लो. Can I release that for you?
Yes.
Breathe and integrate. Gitu, what are you feeling now?
सिर जैसे थोड़ा सा घूम रहा है.
It's okay, let it go. और क्या हो रहा है?
Calmness.
Where else in your body is something not fine showing up? Relation. Now think about the same anger again, same situation again. Where is it showing?
Yeah. Just over here, a slight
Now,
pain.
अब ठीक है, स्लाइट पेन है और सर घूम रहा
हाँ.
है. अब अगर उस
हाँ.
के घूमने पे आप फोकस करते हो,
हाँ.
what does it feel like to you? Just the feel. Don't go into stories. Just how does it feel? What does that remind you of in your life?
Why do I have to prove myself?
What will happen if you prove yourself? What is the gift of not proving and what is the gift of proving? क्या होगा अगर prove कर दोगे? क्या change हो जाएगा life में?
Means I might get the satisfaction, maybe, but
Can I release the desire of being satisfied? Because having a desire means lacking something. If you have it, you don't need to desire it. So, can I release you from the desire of being satisfied with yourself or being okay and satisfied with how people approach you and take you?
yes.
Breathe. Now,
Yeah, I'm fine.
अब बॉडी में उस इमोशन को दोबारा फील करो.
Calmness.
Anywhere else that anger is showing?
मीन्स यहाँ पे राइट शोल्डर पे थोड़ा सा फील हो रहा है.
How is it feeling? Is it heavy? Is it throbbing? Is it cold? Is it hot? How is it feeling?
Pain, a slight pain means throbbing maybe.
Throbbing pain है. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, how is it placed now?
Yeah, 1.
1.
Gone.
Okay. Can we release it?
Yeah.
Can I also release any perception of burden and responsibility of having to work and be in a certain manner to be accepted?
Yes, I want to release that responsibility.
Okay. Can I also release and transmute the need to learn through struggle?
Yes.
And can I close any chapter of karma, past life in this lifetime, real or perceived, any wound, hurt, or harm caused in reality or in perception, any form of auric damage, emotional damage, cellular damage caused due to this incident? And can I also release any oath, vow, or promise that you have made that you will have to struggle and prove your worth in work?
Yes.
And at the last one, can I release you from the need to work hard to live
Yes.
and replace it and transmute it with the divine wisdom of the blueprint of no smart work, manifesting
Yes.
at will, living in grace life, peace and ease?
Yes.
And may I close any chapters of karma now in relation to your work struggle?
Yes.
If anybody else wants to receive this healing, please say yes and receive. Yes, Geetu, how are you feeling now?
Overwhelmed.
Happy overwhelm, sad overwhelm, upset overwhelm?
Means I'm feeling very uh, calm, happy.
Good. Okay. Now, Jasminder ji and Jasmine, are you both okay? You can unmute yourself, Jasminder ji.
I have pain in my lower abdomen, especially the back. It's like
And
radiating pain.
right. And Jasmine,
Earlier it was in the stomach, but now it's like back was also there, but now it's more in the back.
got it. Jasmine, slightly at the abdomen area. And Lata,
Yeah,
problem.
and I have a pain here now. Earlier the pain was here, but it went off. Now it's here, and in the abdomen area, I'm feeling a burning sensation, kind of a thing.
So both of you close your eyes. Lata ji, head pain, close your eyes. And Shilpa, left hand is heavy, close your eyes. So for all four of you, do I have your permission to balance your energies and release whatever this is, sending it back, transmuting it into the divine blueprint of the needed wisdom? Yes? If anybody else wants to receive this, please do. Jasminder ji, please breathe and allow your energies to ground. Jasmine, how are you feeling?
My pain has traveled to left side of the neck.
Now remember one thing, the pain does not travel, it peels off another layer. Okay, there is nothing known as traveling pain. You are just peeling off layers of your trauma, Shilpa, which is very good for us. Jasmine, Shilpa, take the healing, receive it.
I'm fine. I'm better. I'm lighter. All
Just
done.
just breathe for a few minutes, and everybody who's gotten their healing done, don't run away right now. I have to still block and seal your auras.
Shweta ji, I have in the back side of the left side, near the ribs, I think, thoda pain.
Can you just choose to let it go, Bharti ji?
Yes, ji, sure.
First of all, choose to let it because there's a fist clenching your pain there. Please choose to let it go, and I'll clear the resistance that is stopping you.
Sure, ji.
Yes, Anita ji, you've raised your hand. Unmute and tell me. Yes. Shilpa?
Ma'am, I have lower backache, ma'am.
Did this trigger during the healing or before? It was there already before the healing.
Already it was there, ma'am.
We are not healing all problems. We are healing any kind of an imprint triggered by the healing right now. For such sessions, you can book your personal sessions later. Okay? Okay. So Jasmine, Jasminder ji, Bharti ji,
Yes, ji.
Anji.
I'm feeling much more better, Shweta ma'am, but still there's slight maybe 2-3% it is still there. It's like
Exactly where
I
is it?
think
Can you tell me?
in the abdomen, lower abdomen and the back.
Close
It's like
your eyes.
surrounding.
Close your eyes for a minute. And can you tell me?
Also having the same in the abdomen area, the burning sensation.
Let her complete. एक एक जने को complete करने दो. Hold on. Jasminder ji, tell me one thing. ये pain, is it slow moving? What kind of
Yeah, it's slow moving. It's like sometimes it just like it feels like a pressure, but
Mhm.
it's like slow moving and it's surrounding this abdomen and the back, the entire area. You can say the entire sacral chakra area. It's
If I have to give it a word, can I say this? Does this feel like a resistance band to you?
yeah, it does.
May I release this resistance for you?
Yeah.
Jasmine, I'll receive this and see what changes. What clears off for you? Yes, Jasminder ji. See now. What has shifted? How much has it gone down? Or is it still the
It's
same?
come very slight of it is there. It's gone mostly,
Let's do it
very slightly.
let's
Yeah.
release resistance one more time. Clear?
Yeah, much better.
Now,
Much
I
better.
want you to breathe and integrate for the next 2 minutes because this will take a little more time to breathe and move out. Right? Yes, Jasmine, अब आप मेरे को बताओ.
There is acid in the stomach area, something like that. जो आपने पहले बोला था कि something whirling in the stomach, something like that I'm experiencing. And right hand, this muscle, ये upper arm में, यहाँ पे अभी 1 सेकंड पहले ही शुरू हुआ है. एज इफ जैसे मसल पे कोई जोर से दबा देता है तो वो टेंडर हो जाता है, उस तरह का पेन है.
Breathe.
Uh,
Breathe down to your stomach, Jasmine. नीचे stomach तक breathe करो. Now what has shifted for you, Jasmine?
I think the stomach is all right, and there was slight discomfort at the right shoulder blade area. Something is there. I don't know what.
Breathe and integrate. From my end, it seems to be all clear.
It is all clear. Stomach is okay.
Great.
Thank you.
Yes, Shilpa.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great. Perfect. So close your eyes, everybody. Let me please balance your energies for 1 minute. Lock and seal your auras. And till then, please ground yourselves into Mother Earth either through visualization, any other method that you know how. If you don't know any method of grounding, please command yourself 3 times. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. And give me just 2 minutes to disconnect all cords, to decord you all, and to just align your auric field and seal it. Whenever you feel you're ready to come back, rub your hands together, put them on your eyes, and open your eyes. And we're done. So,
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. It was very helpful, and I needed it.
how are you feeling? Are you feeling fine now?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine, very much calm and happy.
अब सो मत जाना.
मेरे पास सोने का टाइम नहीं है. मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को बोला था कि मैं 15 मिनट के लिए सोना है. कहते नहीं, टाइम नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you for being here. Yes, Jasmine, how are you feeling? Shilpa, Gayatri?
Feeling fine, very relaxed, and in fact, I'm also feeling a bit sleepy,
That's
like
why I
just
said,
to
I
relax.
told Ritu सोना मत because वहाँ पे US में morning है. She has to run for work.
Run forward. Yes, yes. So,
Thank
but thank you so much.
pleasure. Yes,
Thank you so much, Shweta, ma'am. It's really,
Thank you,
really
ma'am.
very relaxing.
welcome, Jasminder. You're welcome. Yes, Gayatri,
Thank you.
you were saying something. आप कुछ बोल रहे थे म्यूट पे. हमें बोल रहे थे कि किसी और को बोल रहे थे.
आपको ही बता रही थी. Thank you so much. It was really relaxing.
My pleasure. Thank you for being here. Yes. Now, any questions in relation to the technique? Anything that you want to ask about the healing sessions or the retreat, you all can ask that, and then we'll wrap up for the day. So once again, yes, Jasmine, Sadhana.
I wanted to know, like, what are we doing? Like, I don't know theta and all. वो सब मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम. आजकल बहुत लोग 5-day healing वगैरह भी बोल रहे हैं. So what is this?
This basically EMRT is a technique जो आपके magnetic field पे work करता है, and through the magnetic field it taps into all the trauma causes or the root causes of your trauma, and it pulls out the trauma and heals it instantly. As you saw, we don't go into stories, we don't go into techniques. There is one single set of techniques which we use for everything. The only thing that changes is the intention or the feeling that we feel. So इसमें आपको और कोई टेक्निक की नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं है.
Feeling of the person will change, or like we will change our intention to heal the person as per the problem.
As per the problem, you have to set the intention, right? Like she told me she wanted to work on anger. Now, when I started connecting with her body, I saw that there was not just anger about the incident, but there was a lot of sense of being cheated. कि यार ये लोग मेरे को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते हैं, मेरी प्रॉब्लम को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं, उसको समझते नहीं हैं. So that's
Yeah,
why I kept on giving.
I was also relating to some of it when you were saying. So I said, and I said yes, and I released it too. Thank you. So
Shweta,
okay,
ये
so
healing जो
it's
है,
not. I mean, is this energy healing? What are we using? I mean, I just want some more information.
therapy tool, not a healing tool, but a therapy tool. हीलिंग टूल का काम होता है चीजों को जोड़ना, इसका काम होता है तोड़ के जोड़ना.
तोड़ के जोड़ना. Okay. Like reframing it properly.
Surgery. This is like an energetic surgery where you what is not working, restitch, readdress, and then tighten up.
Can this the same be worked on blocked arteries of the heart?
Anything.
Oh, great. Thank you, Shweta.
You're welcome. हाँ
श्वेता
जी
जी, can I ask you something?
जी प्लीज बोलिए ना.
हाँ, इसमें जैसे आपने जो whatever we have received, so it works on the etheric level, and it is permanent, or if again there's like I have anger or I have
So
a
now
situation which triggers me,
what we have
it'll
is anger around one emotion,
right,
being cheated,
right.
not being understood.
Hmm.
जो anger around not being understood है, of being feeling cheated है, of feeling unapproved and unwanted है, वो
Hmm.
anger उन areas में से हट गया है. And this is a long lasting impact. Most of the
Okay.
time, as I said, to heal one problem, 3 to 4 sessions लगते हैं in totality. But after that 3 to 4 sessions, we don't go back into the problem at all. At least I have not seen that happening with my clients also. So the only thing is कि जैसे अभी हम anger is an emotion which will come up in many aspects.
Hmm.
For example, anger at being said no, anger at feeling disrespected, anger at feeling this, anger at feeling that. अभी हमने anger को सिर्फ 3 हिस्सों में deal किया है. So in those 3 areas, you will start seeing a difference.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Chitrakshi.
So, hi, with this session, you mean to say there'll be a reduction in our anger?
Yes, in relation to feeling cheated, in relation to, so whenever you come into a situation where you would ordinarily feel cheated,
Hmm.
you will not feel that anymore, or you will feel it lesser. It will not, suppose पहले 10 on 10 था, अभी 7 on 10 हो जाएगा, या 6 on 10 हो जाएगा, कुछ cases में maybe 1 on 10 भी हो जाएगा.
Okay. So when we do,
एक दो session
sorry.
करोगे for the same thing, it will go down by 0.
Okay. So when we learn in the retreat, we can do it on ourselves also.
For yourself, for others,
As
for
well as-
animals also, for any kind of a living being.
Okay. Okay.
Because I'm
Thank you.
also doing it with for like people जो लोग animal communicators and all हैं. So
Hmm.
they are all, 1 or 2 of them are also planning to work on this with me.
So does it have any healing for like black magic or something like that when it is done? Everything.
See जब वो curses and सबसे deal कर सकता है, oaths, vows, promises, curses, तो curses and black magic में बहुत ज़्यादा difference फिर होता नहीं है energetically speaking. Curse is also
And
a form
okay.
of black magic.
Yeah. So it's like on the person as well, or for house healing or something like that. That also can be used.
See, it's a tool. अभी वो tool को आप
हाँ.
किस direction में expand करते हो वो आपका choice होता है हमेशा.
Okay.
So me, from my perspective, I am experimenting it with so many things even today कि कभी कभी मेरे को लगता है इस कोर्स का कंटेंट बढ़ता जा रहा है, दिन कम होते जा रहे हैं फिलहाल तो. Because yesterday we came out with something different. Sarita ji was there. So I don't know if she's left or not, if she's here, still here. So I was having a session with Sarita ji and Anjali and Manjudi, and we tried something totally different, which was to align energies to the month of Bhadav as a Gregorian calendar month. Because as such भादव का जो महीना होता है उसमें ना बॉडी स्टैग्नेट करती है, टायर्ड रहती है, फटीग ज्यादा रहता है. ये मंथ की एनर्जी में होता है, मास की एनर्जी में. सो नाउ अब आप सोचो ना, इतना आप थके हुए हो पूरे दिन, आप अगर एक पैसिव स्टेट है, सपोज करो बॉडी सपोज टू हाइबरनेट, अभी हम उसे हाइबरनेटिंग बॉडी को फोर्सफुली एक्शन में ला रहे हैं, तो बॉडी इज इन पेन ऑल द टाइम. So yesterday we tried it. We tried a healing where we integrated and we kind of tried to remove the impact of this stagnation and hibernation from the physical and the etheric bodies, the energy bodies. अब वो एक हफ्ते बाद हम उसको रीगेज करेंगे कितना काम किया कितना नहीं किया. Because आज तक में तो they have been very happy and very active and everything. They're not feeling that tired. But I want to see the difference after 1 week. तो अभी हम लोग बहुत चीजों पे एक्सपेरिमेंट और कर रहे हैं, लाइक प्लैनेटरी इन्फ्लुएंसेस पे 100% इम्पैक्ट है. दैट वीव चेक्ड इट, क्रॉस चेक्ड इट ऑन गोचर, क्रॉस चेक्ड इट ऑन पत्री, तो वो तो गारंटी हो गया कि हो गया है. सो मतलब वी आर स्टिल एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद मोर ब्रॉडर टू क्रिएट अ ब्रॉडर स्कोप. सो It's a tool. जितना यूज करोगे उतने parallels नहीं निकलेंगे. And till date, I have not found a place except for creating a protection shield. It can do everything. That's what I have realized. एक protection shield नहीं बना सकता. उसके अलावा ये सब कुछ कर सकता है.
Shweta, I
Oh,
observed
thank
this pain that I was having in my sacral area that I was telling you, in the stomach and the back, the radiating pain. I was trying to do some healing, and I gave some remedy to somebody. So this was a borrowed pain. I never had this. So once I gave something, maybe I didn't protect myself, and this came to me.
Or you
And I was so busy in doing so many other things that I could not get off this thing.
probably, but
So
एक चीज और भी हो सकता है जसमिंदर जी, आपने अपने कॉर्ड्स डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं करे.
नहीं किए थे, नहीं. Yeah, you're right. I didn't protect myself before doing it.
You should have
So
disconnected.
then I was feeling very heavy about it, that this is a borrowed thing, and I didn't have time to work on myself. So thank you so much.
My pleasure. Yes. Anything else? Oh, Jasmine, you're feeling your skin is softer. That's great. Gitu, online
So would you do it online maybe in the future, because I don't know when I'll come to India. मेरा
I
भी
don't
यही
know.
है.
I truly don't know. That's what I'm telling Gitu. Also, तुम US में plan कर लो, मैं US आ जाती हूँ, वो ज़्यादा easy है.
Yeah, I think that we can do that. I don't know where Gitu stays, but yeah.
The biggest problem with teaching EMRT online is the scope of the concept of EMRT is huge. Even when I'm writing the book now for EMRT, the text manual and my content, so it is so huge कि मुझे ना समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या पिक करूँ क्या छोड़ूँ. Now in smaller sessions, online sessions में क्या होता है, 2 से 2.5 घंटे की क्लास होती है. More than that, absorb.
True.
नहीं कर
It gets overwhelming. Yeah.
overwhelming. And now what happens in an online session is आप क्लास के बाहर निकलते हो, क्लास गई बात गई.
True.
Nobody comes back after working on it. वहाँ पे 5 days 4 days जब आप मेरे सामने हो ना, तो you're working with me. There is no way that you will run away.
Yeah, dedicated effort रहता है. I understand that.
कराओगे पूरा. So that is why. And दूसरा क्या है, इसकी जो offline technique है, if you do in 14-person sessions, that cannot be taught online because you need to have somebody's physical body in front of you to heal it. Gitu,
Yeah,
program
practical sessions, I guess, is more like
you'll need that.
doable and
Not
yeah.
practical to teach it offline. Online, it's better to teach it offline, considering everything. Secondly, क्या होता है in offline sessions, no, I can do 2 to 3 healing sessions on a daily basis for 5 days for all of you, the people who join in. Online possible नहीं होता. सिखाने को इतना होता है, फिर आप उसमें चले जाते हो और अपनी हीलिंग नहीं होती है. Here, morning 5:30, you can have morning sessions, you can have late night sessions for healing. You can combine it with sound therapy, and I can do EMRT with sound therapy. I can do many combinations जो online में possible नहीं है मेरे लिए, बिल्कुल भी. तो इसलिए ना ही offline में निकलेगा. Yes, Irene.
Yeah, I had a question. I'm always, this is my mental block that I'm not psychic, I'm not intuitive. And so,
Okay, so can I just tell you one thing? We are born with the same, you and I. You are perhaps as intuitive or maybe even more than I am, though I refuse to accept it, and I have accepted
yes, I know. So that block first needs to go.
that block will go. See, I'll tell you, honestly speaking, from my perspective, please don't laugh at this. At one point of time, I used to feel as if this industry was like the biggest hogwash on planet. And I was like the biggest nastic of this industry. अभी मैं बोलती हूँ publicly, लेकिन लोग मारेंगे पकड़ के मेरे को. But ये reality है. I used to tell my grandfather was like somebody who believed in hardcore astrology, and I would say सब बकवास होता है. When I got married, my sister-in-law used to get candle healing and God knows what all done, and I used to say क्या बकवास पैसे खर्च करते रहते हो आप लोग. Today, I am not only healing people, I am training people in that.
Correct.
The best part is whatever you resist persists in your life. So you resist your activities, the more it's going to.
Yeah. So this block, if that can go, then
it will go.
I would be more confident. I'll do it anyway.
No,
I'll come to India if you think I'm a fit, obviously.
We'll connect personally or one-on-one on this.
Yeah,
We'll talk about it,
super.
right? But
Yeah.
what I'll tell you is, let me give you one just little aspect here.
Yeah.
Every time you pull in trauma, you close
Yes.
part of your psychic ability.
When you do what? Sorry?
Are traumatized by anything in your life. Part
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
form of trauma shuts down your psychic ability.
Correct. Correct.
When you heal
Correct.
trauma, your psychic abilities automatically reawaken, and you don't have a
I
choice.
see. Okay. Awesome.
So
Thank you.
that's the simplest way I can tell you of working on it, because
Oh,
my psychic, I never thought I was intuitive. One fine day, I was like, oh, I'm channeling my past. So
wow.
it happened. So when you're
Yeah.
ready
Okay.
for it, it will just happen to you.
Okay. Okay. So I believe that in some past life I was crucified or burnt or whatever,
Probably,
and I'm carrying all that baggage.
possibly, very, very possibly true.
Yeah.
Because 95% of the healers that I've come across in this timeline have been hurt, harmed, or killed
Yes.
in the name of
Correct.
religion and in
Correct.
the name of witchcraft. So for most of
Correct.
block does exist.
Okay. Thank you. So
Oh.
then we'll chat. I'm not able to get your numbers and all on this call because I'm on my phone. So just send everything to everybody later separately.
On the EMRT group, both this
Okay.
can get it from there.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Bye now. Bye.
Yes, any other question before we wrap up? So guys, thank you all for being here. Hope you all are taking back something new with you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in your workshops, in your sessions, in EMRT, or for your healings. Take care. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you,
Shweta.
Shweta. I'll also connect
Thank
back
you.
to you on this. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.